there, fellow learners. Get ready to experience an exciting ride with Accredian, the ultimate destination to upskill and chase your dreams of becoming an industry-ready upskilled professional. We are on a mission to empower you with cutting-edge knowledge and help you transition into a thriving career. Our proven track record of success has already helped thousands of students achieve their dreams, and we will help you in achieving the dreams as well. Now hold on tight as we take you through our unparalleled content, state-of-the-art dashboard, and learning management system. Let's start with our curriculum and content, which are meticulously crafted by a team of seasoned industry experts and Accredian faculty. It's not just any curriculum, but one that's super fun and up-to-date with a large set of real-world case studies, use cases, frameworks, and more. With our mission to make you industry-ready right from the start, our curriculum will keep you engaged and help you grow every step of the way. But wait, there's more. We offer 100% instructor-led live classes on weekends so that you can upskill while still having enough time to binge watch your favorite shows during the weekdays. Our interactive and engaging sessions let you clarify your doubts on the spot, and our hands-on experience through industry-specific case studies and real-time problem solving will make you fall in love with the learning. As we don't believe in boring lectures and endless readings, our classes are interactive, engaging, and fun. Our instructors are not only experts in their field, but also passionate about teaching and learning an enjoyable experience. Picture this. You are sitting in a class and suddenly your instructor starts a game of Jeopardy or Kahoot based on a topic you're learning. It's not only a fun way to learn, but it also helps you retain information better. And the best part? You don't have to sacrifice your social life to study. Our classes allow you to pursue your hobbies and interests while also upskilling yourself. So whether you're into playing video games, watching movies, or hanging out with your friends, you can still pursue your passion while advancing your career just by putting 3-4 hours per week along with your live sessions. And voila, you will be able to expertise in the chosen field. Yes, it is that easy. To ensure you stay up to date on the latest technologies and trends, we host international webinar conferences with top-tier pioneers of the industry from across the globe. Plus, we regularly host industry speaker sessions with the best of the best professionals who are esteemed veterans of their own domain. You get to learn from the best. And who knows, you could be the next big thing in the industry. But that's not all. We believe that your growth matters, and that's why we host symposiums and conferences, both domestic and international, that gives you a platform to learn and share your knowledge. We value your inputs and opinions and want to help you grow, learn, and succeed in your career. And you know what? We also host virtual events and competitions where you can put your skills to the test and compete with your peers. Plus, you get to win cool prizes, and who doesn't love that? Now let us take you to the most lovable section of every student, our state-of-the-art dashboard. It is like a treasure chest of knowledge. Our resource center gives you access to articles, research papers, infographics, case studies, cheat sheets, and interview questions, all at your fingertips. Plus, you can test your knowledge by taking Challenge of the Day quiz questions and earning coins. Who doesn't love coins, right? Now allow us to give you the tour of the most exciting feature of our dashboard, the LMS, Learning Management System. Every session that happens at Accredian, be it your regular sessions, conferences, competitions, symposiums, miscellaneous sessions, is recorded and uploaded onto your LMS, which can be accessed anytime, anywhere. Your LMS is like your one-stop shop with pre-reads, post-reads, quizzes, module-wise assignments, term-wise projects, and many more. We believe that one can learn and grow exponentially only if everything is just a click away. We offer several ways a learner could excel in the chosen fields. For instance, end-to-end projects provide hands-on experience in your chosen field with a variety of projects tailored to different skill levels. Our case studies provide real-world scenarios to apply the concepts you've learned, and our assignment section has coding exercises, essay questions, and case studies, all graded by our intelligent grading system, which provides immediate feedback to identify your strengths and weaknesses. Now, here's the cherry on the top. We understand that learning and teaching alone isn't enough to achieve your goals. That's why we offer a job portal feature on our dashboard featuring the latest openings in the industry. We also provide free one-on-one career counseling sessions with our experienced career counselor, as well as regular career focus sessions that help you build your resume, optimize your LinkedIn profile, and prepare for interviews with mock interviews. Sounds like a plan? We do understand the importance of having a support system. That's why we foster a community where you can connect with your fellow learners, share your experiences, and learn from each other. At Accredian, we are not just a school, but a family. We care about your success, and we are here to support you at every step of the way. Our instructors, mentors, and career counselors are always available to help you with any questions or concerns you may have. So if you want to have fun while learning, Accredian is the place where you want to be.